Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 18th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take somewhat of and learn from it, transfer it to your own chance. I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we've been seeing a little bit of a decline here. We're still well over the daily middle band. I've got that at 69,820 and over the 50 DMA, which is at 70,545. On the hourly chart, we have a nice looking bear flag, and we are waiting to see if this is going to turn. Now, I would say that we had an hourly RSI 14 sell signal, and that is making target at the moment, and we haven't actually dropped much. Although it's a little more than it appears to be here, so that's 72,677. You can't quite see it, but that's actually down about here. But obviously, I'm looking for it to get down to here and then see if we can break down below it. So we're not close to that yet. But if we see a decline on equities today, and I'm thinking we might do that, then that would be more promising. All right, looking at Solana. Solana, we're seeing a bit of a decline here. Again, we've got another lovely bear flag. Again, we are over the 50 DMA and the daily middle band, which are at 87.38 and 89.05 respectively. It's currently at 90.99, and we're back below the broken declining resistance and coming back in for a test of the 50 DMA. Now, we had an early RSI 14 sell signal here too. That has made target, but if we have a close look at the bear flag rising wedge, then we're basically halfway back towards the support. I had hoped that the hourly sell signal would get us further than this, but nonetheless, this is promising. We are finding resistance in the right place. We have seen a significant decline from there, and I'm thinking we may well see more today, because I'm seeing indications. Well, we've got another historically bullish day on equities today. We that didn't really deliver yesterday, and it looks as though it might actually go down today at the moment, although obviously it's early days. All right, looking at Ethereum we've got is at 22.45 against the 50 DMA at 21.02 and the daily middle band at 2.066. And that's looking promising too. Do I have a decent resistance trend line here? Not really, no. Not really identified a good resistance trend line, but nonetheless, this is decent looking bear flag action, and I am watching to see how far this can get. This was the trend line I was looking at here, and that's possible this could be a bearish overthrow, although it was a little strong for that, but it wasn't strong on the others. But we're only getting really back into the flag at this point. We had another hourly sell signal there, and that is also reaching the target at the moment. So a promising start, but we probably need some equities, help from equities, i.e. going down significantly, to help this along. The good news is, or the bad news is, that there is a decent possibility that the equities are going to go down significantly. I think really, if we are settling in for an extended war on Iran, and I think that may well be the case, and you heard the Hegseth and Trump talking about having eliminated 100% of the Iranians' military capability. That isn't true, because if you'd eliminated 100% of their capability, they wouldn't still be shooting. And they are obviously still shooting. So we will see how that develops. But if this is going to develop into an extended conflict, this could have a disastrous effect on the oil price, other things too, and cause a serious problem cause a serious economic crisis. That is not a condition where the equity markets are likely to do well, and if the equity markets don't do well, then we're not likely to see crypto do well either. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Don't have any questions. So in that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.